guys, welcome to this is not my YouTube channel. This is her YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm just here intruding.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rumela and in today's video I have a very special guest with me here. She is Karishma and we've been friends for over a decade now.
We're such close friends that I still haven't been featured on her YouTube channel. So you can imagine our friendship.
But I've just started recently and you are the first friend to be featured on my channel. So
I
obviously. So today we are going to do a fun challenge. It is a guess the food challenge.
It's also called a food challenge or a taste test. So it's a very simple one. I'm sure you've come across this a lot over the internet, and I'm really excited. The rules are very simple, guys. For the food challenge, we have 6 items that we've gotten, and both of us are not aware of the items that we've gotten for each other. We're going to tie a blindfold and we're going to feed one item each to each other until they guess it right. So if you guess it right, you win, and if you don't, you lose. And we really don't know what we've gotten for each other, so that's where the whole fun is. So yeah, let's get started. I think I'm going to volunteer to wear the blindfold first. So here I go. Please get me that.
So I have this bag. Please be good to me. Please be good to me. Food items, and the first one is a very easy one. वैसे तो it is.
Are you ready?
So I have it in a spoon. ठीक है?
Okay.
Wait.
This is aloo bhujia.
No. I knew you'd say aloo bhujia. इसलिए I chose this.
This is the same bhujia.
No, but what is it called?
The orange bhujia.
हाँ ठीक है. I
Yeah,
give you
it's
a
orange.
point.
Yeah, this is the guy. It's called orange bhujia.
It's called bhujia safe.
I said same bhujia.
हाँ, नहीं.
I said same bhujia.
ठीक है, you get a point. So this is the second item that I have here.
Okay, the first one is not so bad. So. And I think we all know what bhujia, shave, aloo shave, bhujia, whatever.
I thought you'd say aloo bhujia. That's why I chose that. I didn't know you'd say bhujia safe.
I know this. I know this, man. I'm not like a wasted South Indian. I know this.
Yeah, South Indians should know this.
This is my favorite plain salted tapioca chip.
Oh shit! I didn't know you'd recognize this. Never mind. What I have?
Okay, I'm a little scared. Can I eat this?
Yes,
What?
you can.
Is it
Again,
edible?
I'm giving it with a spoon.
We had our rules clear. These things have to be edible.
Yeah,
And
obviously.
they cannot be raw,
Obviously.
meat or anything.
ठीक है.
Show some mercy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate you.
What is this?
I think this is Kisan sweet and spicy ketchup.
No.
It is that.
It is?
It is ketchup. It's
is
normal
ketchup.
tomato
It is ketchup.
with chili in it. Spicy ketchup
But then-
chili. What is it?
But it's not Kisan.
Not Kisan. Yeah, okay, maybe not Kisan. Maybe different company. But it is,
How many points should I give you? It's half correct. But it's not
so
Kisan.
it is tomato ketchup with
chili.
With chili.
हाँ.
So sweet and spicy chili.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, I get point. Sweet
You'll get
and spicy tomato.
half point क्योंकि brand same नहीं है. Brand तो right नहीं है.
Maybe. हाँ, okay, not Kisan.
This next one is very spicy.
Okay.
But I'll come up with better options थोड़ा आगे. क्या करूँ मैं? This is what I have.
What is this?
I think I don't know. Yeah, maybe I feel.
I hope I'm not glued to the throne in the morning tomorrow.
Wait. Shit. I think I
Please
should-
choose the size and moderation. Please don't give me like a dollop or whatever it is. Ready?
Yes.
What is this? Oh my god, is this garam masala? This is kanda lasun masala.
Oh shit!
You,
What?
You are the most meanest person on this planet.
What is it? I mean, how?
This is Ambari's kanda lasun masala.
Oh shit!
And I'm not having more of this.
I thought you would not know what this is. The next item I have here is this.
The previous one was really spicy.
Obviously. Okay, so what is this? What is this?
Is this peanut butter?
No, it's not peanut butter. It's not peanut butter.
Is this ghee?
No, it's not ghee also.
Oil?
No.
It definitely has peanut in it.
No, it does not have peanut in it.
Really?
Thank God. Your time's up. Next.
What was this?
The next one is really nice. Like, it's the best out of all.
What was this? This is so weird.
Tahini.
Oh! How could I not guess tahini?
Yeah. But you have to say the brand name, okay, of this one.
Okay.
Ha! This is nice. But you have to tell the brand
whole
name.
thing?
Ha. Yeah, eat the whole thing.
Alpenliebe.
No, it's not. I knew you'd say Alpenliebe. That is why I chose this.
This is Alpenliebe.
No, it's not Alpenliebe.
Candyman.
No, it's not Candyman. Oh my god, Candyman bachpan mein khate the. I don't even remember it exists anymore.
This is not Coffee Bite for sure. This is Alpenliebe.
No, it's not. I'm telling you, it's not.
This is not on Coffee Bite. This is
No. You just have 5 more seconds.
I
5.
don't know what is this. Something coconutty.
3. It's not coconutty. How is it coconutty? It's caramel. 2.
I don't know what this
1.
is.
0. हो गया. निकाल ले
done?
blindfold. Yes, we're done.
What was it?
London Dairy.
Oh, London Dairy. I would not have guessed this at all.
That's I know. That's
What
why I
is
chose
London
this.
Dairy? Who keeps London? My eyes are watering.
So that is that's the thing about the game, right? The other person should not be able to guess.
You guys are following her for this.
Right.
Oh my god. She's such a mean host, guys.
Okay, so
Okay.
how many did you guess? 4 out of 6. You did not guess tahini and you did not guess
Yeah, I
London Dairy.
did not
So
guess
4
that.
out of 6 is also a good score.
Yeah, it is not bad. So
I
is it
thought
my
you
turn?
would guess only just 2 or maximum 3. The kanda lasun masala to 100%.
The Kanda Lasun masala was like in a second. I
Yeah,
guessed
I
it.
know. And also the tapioca.
Tapioca was. I had tapioca literally yesterday. I love tapioca. at home
Yeah,
every day.
South Indians, we have tapioca at home.
It was hot and sweet.
It was hot and
Maggi,
sweet.
hot
It's
and sweet.
Maggie, hot and sweet.
Not kisa.
But still, I gave you the point.
They're like brothers.
ठीक है,
So
I
it's
gave you the point. So 4 out of 6.
4 on 6 is
Okay,
not bad.
so next
Okay,
is
not very
my
bad. So I think
turn.
it's my turn now.
Yes,
Let's
मतलब
do this.
My turn to taste.
Let's get through blind. Start.
Are you ready?
Yes, I
Yes.
think I'm ready. And my
I'm also
bag is
ready. I have my blindfold
So
on.
I think the first item is
Show it to the camera.
going to be very simple. But it's a slight twist.
Oh god, it's a slight twist.
Is this one? Okay.
Are you like mixing and matching?
No, not
Nahi
really.
na. This one.
Okay, so we're going to pick one of this. And
Oh, the smell is nostalgic. Oh my god, what is this? What is this?
Okay, here you go. Take a
Sriracha.
big bite. Big
Not
With
cheese.
I'm going to give you one last guess. It is, yeah, you were right, it is nachos. But which one? Which nachos? Because we've had this a lot. And you should be able to guess the exact flavor.
Jalapeno.
And what did it have on it?
Cheese dip. As in, what did it have
Yeah,
on
it had something. It had a dip
Jalapeno.
on it.
So
So which dip?
Can I have one more?
What? This is not allowed, but I'm still doing this for her. This is what you have to do for an
Jalapeno
friend.
nachos, right? It's jalapeno
Yeah, and
nachos.
you were right about
The nachos ka flavor.
yes.
Um,
For the dip, I think
With-
I'm going to give you a second try.
uh,
Here you go. Open your mouth.
is it mayonnaise?
I didn't get a second guess. And
You did
anything.
for peanut butter and everything. Alpenlibe baby. Candyman. इतना सब बोला. Wait.
So- So
I don't know.
what is it?
Mayonnaise.
Okay, good. That's what you're saying. Okay.
Is it or is it not? But I
Next
guessed one
item.
right.
This is something that I made over the weekend.
Oh.
I think on Saturday I made this, and I was meaning to get it for her anyway. So this is how she's going to taste it. And I've made this for the first time. So even if you don't like it, I don't know, deal with it.
What is it that you made?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Open your mouth.
Swiss roll. What is it? Coconut. Coconut cake.
Okay.
Coconut cake or coconut Swiss roll. Is it? Is it or not?
Yeah, I think kind of correct. Next one is this. For this, you're gonna have to take a bite. Okay, you have to bite into
bite.
it. It's like a hard ball. You have to
Oh.
bite into it. Okay, because you're not gonna be able to take the whole thing inside. Bite. Bite.
What is it? Stone.
Okay, bite. This not a stone. Okay, what is this?
Haldiram kai. Oh.
Yeah, what? Haldiram what?
It was kachori.
Okay,
Samosa,
not
kachora.
bad. Not bad.
Kachori samosa both
Yes,
taste the
yes.
same, but this was round in shape. Okay.
The next one. Okay, the next one is this. Yeah,
I'm having fun.
you're having fun. Are you enjoying this?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Give me disclaimers, huh? कि बहुत spicy है.
No, this is
कि
not
नहीं है.
बहुत spicy.
Like I gave.
But here you go. Open your mouth.
Sriracha.
Do you think it is sriracha? One last guess, because it is not sriracha. One last guess. Go for it.
It's not sriracha.
Nah.
Chili sauce.
Yes. Another guess?
I don't know what it is. I just know sriracha and chili sauce.
Okay, so it was garlic chili sauce. You didn't get that right because the taste of garlic was like super prominent, and if you don't get that right, you don't get points. So that's just 0 points for you. So the first one you got it correct. That was nachos with mint mayo.
Yeah.
But you just said mayo. Second
but
one
I
was lamington cake, but you said coconut cake. So whatever. You should get a point for that.
Yes.
Third one was Haldiram kachori, so you get another
Yes.
point for that. But and the last one was garlic chili sauce. You get 0 points for that.
Okay.
So that's 3 out of 4 so far. The next one is
What is the next one? Is it sweet or spicy? Let me.
it's this.
wait.
It's really popular.
Where's my glass of water?
Yeah, it's right there. It's really popular. It's out in the market. Came out very recently. Yeah, kids kind of dig this.
Came out very recently.
Yeah.
I've not had anything, any like new launches in
Whatever.
chips
Okay,
or
okay.
what do you
Here
have?
You go. Take a nice. Open your mouth. Take a nice bite. It's sweet. Bite it.
I know this because I've had it. It's the Cadbury, Cadbury का choco pie.
Cadbury का choco pie.
मतलब choco pie ही.
Choco pie is choco pie. Cadbury doesn't have choco pie.
It's Cadbury या फिर Sunfeast.
How I was asked to guess that chocolate correctly. That
But I gave you
candy.
Maggie a point na.
Oh no, but I think it's choco pie.
it correctly, you get a
Wait.
full point for it, or you get 0 points. And keep it with you and eat the rest.
Oh.
Come on, guess it fast.
अरे Choco Pie तो नहीं I don't know. I just
You
know
don't know the
Choco Pie.
name?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so it was Cadbury Choco Bakes.
I told you it's
But
Cadbury.
it was not Choco Pie. It's
ठीक है,
Choco
half point.
Bakes. Happening. Okay, the last
Please,
item.
half point. I told Cadbury.
Okay.
Brand तो guess किया ना.
No,
Please.
it's still.
Please.
What is your score?
3.
3.
Hmm.
ठीक है, cool. Cool. This is the last item. This is for the friendship we share.
I didn't even know the name of Choco Bake. I just knew Cadbury का है.
Yeah, but
And Choco Pie जैसा
Pie,
है.
Choco Bake, it's the same thing.
हाँ,
It's
ठीक
not
है.
the same thing. You got
It
the
is the
brand
same
wrong.
thing ना. No, I got the brand also correct. Cadbury.
Okay, here you go. This is the last one. You're gonna get this right. You might just get this right. Okay? Here you go. Open your mouth.
What is it? Spoon में?
Yeah, it's in a spoon. Open your mouth. It's liquidy. So you're gonna take the
Oh.
whole thing in.
Okay.
1, 2. Open your mouth big. Yeah. What is this?
Lemon juice.
Oh yes, but it was worth it. You really worth it. You're gonna slow-mo that and show your
Girl.
face. Woo! But okay,
I
that was
thought it would be Maaza or something because you said it's liquidy.
Maaza.
Fruity Maaza.
High hopes. I say high hopes.
But lemon juice.
Maaza.
Anyway, I got the point right.
Yeah, you got the point. So you
I
can take
remove
your
the blind-
blindfold off.
Yeah.
Yay!
So we
this is what
both
it
guessed
was.
4 each, right?
4
But I
each.
get an extra half point for Cadbury.
No, you don't. It was 4 all. She doesn't get an extra point because there's so much difference between Choco Pie and Choco Bakes. I mean, if Lotto Choco Pie people are watching this, please sue her. This is not done. And if Cadbury people are watching, please stop selling Cadbury to her. You don't get points for this.
Okay, but how do we break the tie?
So it's
See,
4
I
all.
have an idea. You can go घर पे in the kitchen and choose whatever you want, and I'll also choose whatever we want.
Done.
एक last item, and whoever guesses it right,
Wins.
they
Yeah,
win
wins.
obviously.
Good.
And you can go take whatever you want
My
in the
turn,
kitchen.
you first,
First,
you
first I'll go.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है? So first,
So I'm gonna get the black.
so first I'm going to go to the kitchen and grab something that she won't be able to
guess.
recognize. So I am back with my item. This is what I have here. I
Have
think this
mercy
is
on me.
lame. I think you'll guess it easily, but I could not find anything. मेरे घर पे only I could not find anything. Open. Take a whole bite. What is it?
Is this a tomato?
No, it's not. It's not.
It's a fruit.
Yeah, it's fruit. What fruit?
It's a plum. It's aloo bukar.
Aloo bukar. What is it? Tell one name.
It's plum. The red one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called aloo bukar in Hindi.
Acha, I don't know what's aloo bukar. I just know plum.
And it's called plum. Oh my god, I'm gonna get my mums out. That was so bad.
But that wasn't easy, right?
It wasn't easy.
हाँ.
First I thought it was tomato. It
हाँ,
wasn't.
it
So
wasn't
my
easy,
turn.
but still. ठीक है.
Ready?
What is it?
Wait.
आयशा को सब पता है what I like and what I don't like. So she must have obviously told you कि ये नहीं आता है उसको यही ले ले. To be honest, तुझे सब आता है. That's the problem.
Okay, here
ये
we
ना
go.
सिर्फ बोल दे मुझे अंदर के किचन से लिया है कि बाहर के किचन से लिया है.
ये
I'll
तो
guess
मैंने-
it.
It's not from your kitchen.
Oh my god. Then where did you get it?
Okay, this is what it is, guys. I'm guessing. I'm hoping she doesn't guess this.
किचन से नहीं है? Then from where did you get it?
From outside.
Where outside? इतने जल्दी outside तो नहीं गए तुम.
From my bag, I had this as the 7th option. Okay. Here we go. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. It's edible. Don't be so scared. What?
Maggi magic masala. Masala है magic.
No. Wrong.
Pasta masala.
Wrong. You got 2 chances. Both are wrong. Okay, chal. For you, I'll give you a 3rd chance. Because this is her channel, because this is her video. And because I'm a dear friend, she
I
gets a
also
last
give you a lot
chance.
of chances. Huh?
No, this is your last chance.
Tomato.
Maggi magic masala is wrong. Pasta masala is wrong. Did you just say tomato something? Because I will count that as your 3rd option.
No, I did not. I said you said tomato.
Okay, you get a last chance at this. Tell me what it is. You can take another bite if you want.
Alright, wait. I did not get.
Yes, yes.
Hakka noodles masala.
Oh my god, yeah! Yeah, take off your blindfold.
Because
Hakka noodles
I was thinking
masala.
घर में क्या क्या मसाला है.
Oh
And
my
then
god. That's not fair. This is not fair, dude.
Yes.
So-
yes.
So basically,
hakka masala.
It's still 5 all.
Yeah.
It's still a
So
tie.
now-
So I think we're going to conclude at the point
Yeah,
that we're
this
both
conclude.
we both have like really good taste buds and we can guess anything under the sunlight
Seriously.
or somewhat under the sunlight. So yeah, this was the taste challenge for both of us. This as much as we loved shooting this, I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I always wanted to do this, so here's me doing this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my friend's channel.
It looks
bell
like
button.
it's your channel and I am the guest on your channel.
But it is your channel. Everybody there, all your fans know.
Yeah, I know. I'm just
Your YouTube fam knows it's your channel. Hit the bell button and don't forget to subscribe. I don't have a YouTube channel yet. It's all her.
yeah. Or else I would have told you guys to go.
Yeah,
and-
to follow me or she would put me in the description box below and all of that. But that's not happening. This is Rumi for you and this was the taste challenge. I'm hoping to be back on her
So
challenge
much
soon.
fun.
Oh yes, I had fun too. Thank
We'll
you
come up
guys.
with a makeup challenge soon.
Yes,
probably because
yes.
she wants to do a makeup challenge because this is a beauty channel.
I
So more of a
enjoy
beauty
watching.
channel.
I'm going to take another 10 seconds and let you guys know that although I've been a friend for years and years now, I absolutely enjoy watching all her videos. I'm
Aww.
literally the first person to, even if whether I'm
cry.
at home or I'm at work or I'm having dinner or I'm literally out anywhere, the minute I see a notification, oh my god, Rumaila Rafiq posted a new video, I'm like, oh my god, let's
I'm
go
going
see
to
this,
cry.
let's go see this.
My eyes are full of happy tears.
We have tissues.
To have.
right? Okay guys, thank you so
Okay,
much.
yeah, thank you so
This
so
is
much.
Rumi and this is Karishma. You have a fantastic time to yourself and stay away from the virus. Bye.
We'll see you guys. Bye.
Oh, yes, it was good. Dude. Mazak.